Guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy Tuesday, happy 26. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. A huge congratulations to the first finalist of Big Brother Mzansi Season 6, Tracy Thandeka and Liema. So these housemates, they are safe for eviction this coming Sunday. Guys, the people that are not safe, Umeli, DDQ, Ashe, and Bravo B, guys. So now there's a lot of division when it comes to who do you save, guys. Only 2 spots left for top 5. Guys, already know that Uliema Thandeka and Tracy, they are in the final to top 5, guys. So people are saying, oh, so what is going on right now? I feel like the Italian guys, things are not looking good for Italian guys. But before we get to Thandeka, guys, let's start with Tracy and then followed by Liema, guys. With Tracy, obviously we know that Tracy's fan base, since Tracy she's safe for eviction this coming Sunday, they're going to vote for Bravo B, even though there are people that are saying, well, let's not vote for Bravo B, because if we vote for Bravo B next week, we will need Bravo B to save Tracy, guys. We will need a fan base yaka Bravo B to vote for Tracy, guys. Some are saying, because we know very well that with Tracy she's not gonna take the 2 million rand. Looking at Thandeka and Liema's fan base. So anyway, guys, let's get to Liema. Guys, I feel like Uliema, she's in good position compared to Thandeka, guys. I know some of you are gonna disagree with me. You don't have to insult each other. Let's just allow me to explain it, guys. Comes to Liema, guys, she's in a good relationship inside the house and outside the house. The same will that sent her home is the last will that has now sent her to the final, guys. Remember, Tracy and Liema, they are very close. If we say top 3, Liema, Tracy, and Thandeka, Liema, she can survive 7 days with Tracy. So if let's take it, we take DD and the Q, it's gonna be beneficial for Liema, even though there are people that are saying that we need to vote Umeli so that we can eliminate DD. So the voters are DD, they will vote for Liema. Same as Ashe, they have to vote for Liema. Liema, she has an alliance outside, she has an alliance inside the house. So guys, I feel like Liema, she's in good place, even though she might not take the 2 million rand, but I feel like she's more safe than Thandeka, guys. When it comes to Thandeka, there's a lot of division, guys, when it comes to their fan bases. Some people are saying, is it fences like Liema? They're saying, oh, we need to save Umeli so we can remove Udidi. It's still gonna work for Liema, guys, because if Udidi leaves, it doesn't matter. Whether OQ leave, it doesn't matter to Liema, guys. Liema, she has a good relationship, no matter, even though you can see Umeli and Liema, they don't get along, but they can survive 7 days, Umeli and Liema, guys. So when it comes to Thandeka, it's another story. So right now there's a lot of division on social media. Some Thandeka's fans are saying they want to save Didi so to eliminate Umeli. So when they get to top 5, even base Meli can vote for Thandeka. It's a good thing. It's their strategy. At the end of the day, everyone needs to have their own strategy. But then if they eliminate Umeli and they take Didi to top 5 and Q, guys, do you think Thandeka she's gonna survive alone 7 days in that house? Because already Thandeka, she doesn't have any relationship with those housemates, guys. Q, she's everywhere, I don't think Q can stay with Thandeka for 7 days when Didi is around. Remember, Q, she has a crush on Didi, guys. So people are saying right now we have no choice but to save Umeli, guys, because Thandeka needs Umeli in that house. I wanted to see Thandeka alone, guys, honestly speaking, guys. And I think what I've noticed about Thandeka, guys, is she was going to win the 2 million rand. I don't know if she's going to win. We don't know anyone who's going to take the 2 million. It's just that the way she communicates when it comes to Thandeka, guys. I think when it comes to this week, I feel like somebody needs to tell Thandeka, you need to low key. You need just to be alone this week, and let's see what's going to happen. If Thandeka can spend time alone this week away from me, guys, she can survive the 7 days. You can just avoid the mean girls. There's nothing, guys, And people are saying, oh, even if Didi leaves or stay, Liema can win against Didi. Liema can win against him. or Tracy, guys. There's no competition when it comes to Liam or Tracy and Didi, guys. Even Q, we can say Liam has a strong fan base. When it comes to Thandeka, guys, people are saying she has a strong fan base, but they need Millie inside the house. There are still people who are dividing vote, even base like Thandeka, that are dividing vote between Millie and Thandeka. They are saying because it's dangerous for Millie to go to the final.